Hello, in this video we are going to write a Python code for bubble sort algorithm. We need to create a list first. Let me copy from insertion sort. By the way, you can see the link in description for those codes and print our original list. Then let's create our function. In Python, as you know, the indexes start from 0, so I will type 0 or nothing, and we will go to length of a minus 1. Actually, it's length of a because in Python it doesn't take the last index. Here, if you type here 10, it won't take 10, so we will go to length of a, and we will start from length of a minus 1 here because I won't repeat it, you know, and we will go to I because I told you it won't take I plus 1 here, so I will go to I to make it take the I plus 1 index, and we will go down minus 1 here. To exchange two numbers here, we need to keep one of them. Let's say it's k. I will keep j index of a, and aj will be j minus 1 will be key. Okay, that's it. That's the easiest algorithm for sorting methods. And let's call our function, then print bubble sorted list. Okay, here you can just leave it like that, but if you want the same list, if you want to create the same list again and again, you may need to add random.seed here. This number doesn't matter, but you can say it's 2 or 3. Okay, let's start it. Let's give 10 index 190. Okay, as you see here, all the elements are sorted. But I wanna show you something also. In random seed, we gave 1 here. Let me just rerun it. It gives the same list. But if you change the seed number, it will create another list, a different list. Here it's not the same one, and if you rerun it again, it will create this list, and just change this to 1 also. You see it's the same with the previous one. And that's it for my video. Thank you for watching.